morning or good afternoon. It's 12:30 and I have only hit one of my goals today. So we're gonna work on that. I'm gonna bring it back, and even though it's like the afternoon doesn't mean it's over. So I need to get ready to go and meet a friend in a minute. We're gonna do some work together and get some pictures, hence the this. And we've not done this for ages because work and life is so busy, so it's gonna be good. I have a lovely tripod, and yet you're piled up on 2 books, one of those wax melt things, and some jewellery, like boxes, so great. This is the best place for me to put you though right now. I'm kind of over makeup, as in I still love it and like I'm enthusiastic about it, but that's the last thing I want to do in the morning / mid-afternoon. I am so tired still, so I will liven up as this video goes on, I promise. Okay, now I'm just going to sort out this top half and then I'll take this out, which is like the big reveal. So the best way I found to do this is like pull out the fringe pieces first, if you've got a fringy thing. And then I use the Babyliss, if that's how you say it. Basically like the Dyson knockoff. I used to sell, if you remember, the satin ones, like the silky heatless curlers, but then I never kept any for myself. I like all the fabric was used up and I never made one for me, which was a silly mistake. So, right? And my goodness. And then you got these like super bouncy. The fringe is a bit crazy, I won't lie to you. This is it, and it's actually comfortable to sleep in as well. People say that and it never is.
I've been painting a picture of a room inside my mind, and I think it's as dark as it is light. And this painted picture of a room inside my mind is where I go to rest, rewind and hide.
Yeah, it's been a good day today, and like once again I've got this like pure motivation to do stuff, but I have to do other things first. Like I have other priorities that I have to prioritise, and then we can do some stuff. But I got an exciting opportunity today, and it's just to create some content for a brand with some of their products, kind of like influencer style, not necessarily just like purely UGC give to the company like it is to post on my own channels. And it's stuff that I'm genuinely interested in, but not my audience as much. So I'm trying to come up with a way to get the best of both worlds, and I think that's going to be my EJ management page, which is the one I normally post on. I'm going to keep posting on that, and I'm going to keep posting my social media tips and stuff, and then my relevant Project 50 days. But then I have another account that I don't really use very often anymore, but it's called EJ Ways, right? And it's to do with like health and fitness and stuff, because it just keeps me motivated, it like keeps me accountable. So I think I'm going to start posting my Project 50s on there, because they are kind of very food based, because it's all about like generating healthy habits and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm going to post that over there and hopefully build that up a little bit, because I do think it's easier to grow a following when it's like health and fitness above social media tips and stuff, because that's only really relevant for a select few, where like health and fitness is huge, and especially because I'm trying to cater it more towards like when you work from home, and like a lot of us work from home, or at least hybrid now, so but we'll see.
It's got walls and it's got windows, and the sun touches the ceiling. It's got blue creeks and willows, and I pretend that I'm healing in this room inside my mind.
I can't commit to anything to save my life. I'm doing this Project 50 on Instagram, as you might have seen, and that's kind of going well. I missed the odd day, but the goals that I set out to reach have not been reached really much. So on a different account I've got, which I was talked about earlier in the week, I think, maybe, I'm trying to fix this niche issue that I've got, where I want to be doing like health and fitness stuff, but my audience understandably wants to see social media tips and stuff. So I have a different Instagram account called EJ Ways, which is like where I put my health and fitness stuff. So as of today, I've started a new project, Project 40, over there, which is just ridiculous, because there's 40 days left till Christmas Eve, and I really just want to get some of these goals hit. So over there is where I'm going to be posting my kind of like what I eat in a days, and my like calories as well, just as a warning in case you head over there and like check it out, and my fitness routine and stuff like that, and just really try and get some progress in these next 40 days. And then project 50 is going to continue. We're about a third of the way through over on EJ management, and I think the point of that is just to try and like do something with my day every day, so I have something to show for it, instead of just kind of be sat working and that be it. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. As you saw, I spent the weekend in Birmingham with my family, and we went to the Christmas markets and everything and had a really nice weekend. I don't tend to do much on the weekend because I just love having the time to do nothing, and it's very rare, and do like food shops and tidy, and I obviously didn't do that this weekend, so I'm going to catch up on that. I thought I'd kind of end this vlog here because I can tell you now not a lot is going to happen with the week. So I might as well just get this posted. And I had a fun weekend, so I've got some clips to share from that. A lot of them are vertical, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. Hopefully I'll figure it out. But yeah, my camera is about to die too, so I'm sticking to this whole YouTube thing. I'm working hard on this YouTube thing. I'm trying to get stuff out there, and it's slowly working, so thank you for all your support. And yeah, thank you for watching, as always, and have the most wonderful week. Bye!